Today we're going to make Tantanmen Ramen.
That's Japanese take on Sichuan Dan Dan Mian. The ramen is cooked until al dente and is served with a spicy, creamy, and nutty soup base. It's super delicious.
To make the sauce, in a bowl add the soy sauce, Japanese sesame paste, rice vinegar, and chili oil. And you can click here for the most delicious homemade chili oil recipe. If you like the heat, you can also add more. Mix well. To cook the pork in a wok over high heat, place in the avocado oil or other high smoking point cooking oil. Then add the ground pork or other protein that you like and stir fry for about 2 minutes. Followed by ginger, garlic, Sichuan Pixian Doubanjiang, soy sauce, and sake. Stir fry until aromatic and the pork is completely cooked through. Set aside. To cook the soup, in a pot over high heat, pour in the unsalted chicken stock and unsweetened soy milk. And season with a pinch of salt. And we're gonna bring it to a boil. Put it aside. In a pot of water, over high heat, bring it to a boil. Quickly blanch the Shanghai choy for about 20 seconds. You could also use any other vegetables that you enjoy. Drain and set aside. To boil the ramen noodles, in the same pot of boiling water, drop the ramen noodles in and boil until al dente for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Or according to the package directions. Remove and drain. Click on the link right here if you want to make delicious ramen egg at home.
So delicious, it's spicy, it's nutty, it's creamy, it's all there. So I think it doesn't matter if it's spring, summer, or fall, or winter. This is a perfect bowl of ramen that you should give it a try. It's just so good. And here's a question for you. I want to ask you between Japanese Tantanmen Ramen and Sichuan Dan Dan Mian, which one do you prefer? Comment below and let me know. And I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Subscribe, thumbs up. Bye.